And in this video I'll show you how to check if your iPhone's battery has been boosted or not. For that, just go to your settings and head to general and about, and just below coverage expired you can see a option that will be named as parts and service history. If that is there, that means your battery or your display has been changed. If you see Apple, and you can also check if it was changed or replaced by Apple or third party. If that shows unknown, that means they were changed by third party app. That means they were changed by third party or unauthorized. That means they were changed by some unauthorized companies. And if you see your battery has been replaced, what you can do is copy your serial number like this and head to your Safari and search here CHECK check space coverage Apple and open this. You need to enter your serial number here, tap on next, and after that you can see if your battery is boosted or not, or you can see every details of your iPhone. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.